Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards from ASUS, the Prime B550-PLUS and the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and which one might be the best fit for your gaming or productivity needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS is a budget-friendly option at $119, making it an excellent choice for those looking to build a cost-effective system. In contrast, the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 comes in at $189, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the Strix offers superior performance, the Prime B550-PLUS provides great value for gamers on a budget. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers a 1 gigabit LAN connection and lacks built-in Wi-Fi, which may be a drawback for some users. On the other hand, the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 boasts a 2.5 gigabits LAN and Wi-Fi 6E support, providing faster internet speeds and better wireless performance. This makes the Strix a more suitable choice for gamers who prioritize connectivity. When it comes to features, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS provides essential functionalities, including PCIe 4.0 support and dual M.2 slots. However, it lacks some advanced options. In contrast, the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 includes premium features such as BIOS flashback, enhanced power delivery, and RGB lighting support, making it a more robust choice for high-performance builds. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 have their strengths. The Prime is an excellent budget option, while the Strix offers advanced features and superior connectivity for a higher price. Consider your needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.